Solder tips. Improve the versatility of your soldering iron with interchangeable soldering iron tips available in a wide variety of sizes and shapes, including chisel, conical, bevel, and angled designs. So, let's get started. Number 1. Start with the right stuff. Always use the best tools and assembly materials available. There are always new product innovations to consider as well. For example, the latest solder paste can make a SMT engineer's job easier. New product innovations can yield longer idle times or ELAX recovery times. Environmental resilience and extended shelf life are other areas of improvement. Profile robustness and high-speed printing have also been incorporated in new solder paste products. Number 2. Storage and handling. When you get the right stuff, treat it well. Current technology allows unopened solder paste to be stored at room temperature conditions. However, the best manufacturing practice is to refrigerate solder paste upon receiving. Solder paste is a mixture of paste flux and solder powder. Essentially, flux is a chemical that removes metal oxides and promotes spreading of the solder. When flux and metal are mixed to make solder paste, the flux will remove the metal oxides as described. Number 3. Solder ball test. The solder paste was received and was left on the receiving dock over a hot weekend. Is it bad? The solder paste was left out on the manufacturing floor for an unknown time. Is it good? One of the best performance-related tests to judge the usability of solder paste is a modified solder ball test. Number 4. Profile. Profiling is not the most exciting task in electronics assembly, but it does assist in reducing potential defects. All Reflow profiles consist of a reheat zone, soak zone, reflow zone, and cool down zone. Each of these zones are important for a successful solder joint to be formed. Manipulation of any of these zones will alter the integrity and appearance of a solder joint. Number 5. Compatibility. Do not try to mix and match flux chemistries. Use all no-clean products or all water-soluble products. Water-soluble flux chemistries are very active by nature in comparison to no-clean formulations. Due to this inherent difference, operators may be drawn to water-soluble flux products. No-clean flux chemistries are designed to have residues that are non-conductive and non-corrosive, whereas water-soluble flux chemistries are conductive and corrosive. Number 6. Printing suggestions. Printing is the first process in surface mount assembling. Some general printing suggestions are offered to reduce defects and optimize yields. The bead diameter of the solder paste should be approximately the same size in diameter as a cigar, about 0.5 in diameter. When the squeegee is gliding across the stencil, the solder paste in front of the squeegee should be rolling. Number 7. Avoid humidity and high-temperature situations. Solder paste can be a delicate blend of numerous chemicals to yield a specific rheology and consistency. Harsh environmental fluctuations will alter physical properties such as viscosity and tack. When the humidity begins to climb above 60–70% RH, the solder paste may entrap or absorb moisture, which will decrease the tack and promote solder balling. Number 8. Double-sided reflow applications. As the electronics industry is driven by end products that are lighter in weight, faster, and less expensive, double-sided reflow applications are increasing. This application can be simplified with some useful tips.